Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one account and one email. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like if this video helps you out. Now let's jump straight into it. Now head over to Google and type in youtube.com and make sure you are signed in. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From there, you can either go directly to settings, or if you prefer, you can open YouTube Studio. Either way, both options, either the settings option or the YouTube Studio option, will take you to the same account setting page like this one. Next, inside settings, click on channel, then go to advanced settings. Scroll down and select manage YouTube account. This will bring you back to your main account settings page, which is where we can add new channels. Now, under the section called your YouTube channel, you'll see an option that says create a new channel. Click on that. At this point, you'll be asked to choose a name for your new channel. You can enter anything you want. For example, I'll call this one Foods and Treats, just for example. Don't worry, you'll change the name later if needed. Once you're happy with the name, go ahead and click on create channel. YouTube will now set up your brand new channel, and once it's ready, you'll be taken straight to it. If for some reasons you're not automatically switched, just click on your profile picture at the top right here, then select switch account to choose between all your channels. And that's it. You can now run multiple YouTube channels from the same Google account and email address. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick YouTube tutorials. Thank you.